face, reality born. Hey, many of sorrows, many of joy. That can be fun, but never a time. Many of good times, many of bad. Thanks to for all those times that I had, but when the sun shines tomorrow, the blessing come down the other day. You born. Take my advice, I explain it to the crowd. It's halfway up, halfway down. I hear that one. I want that from the new album. I want to hear it. All right, run the chop this way. Rhythm change already. How you feel now, dear? One of nicest on the past right now. I'm gonna get down to business. But run the next track. Remember this one? Jamaica, everyone singing my video. I'm standing at home. Coming on my video. Taking out the ring on. Feeling a fine. On your horn. On your horn. Give it up. All fruits right. Shake the grape tree. A grape is there for you and me. All fruits right. Shake the grape tree. A grape is there for you and me. No call me not that. No call me name brand. Call me Mr. Man Walker. No call me not that. No call me name brand. Call me Mr. Man. Say you brand get brand. That I've done sit down. Call me Mr. Man Walker. Say that I've done sit down. Me brand get brand. Call me Mr. Man. All fruits right. Shake the grape tree. A grape is there for you and me. All fruits right. Shake the grape tree. A grape is there for you and me. Say the youth say salute me. Mr. Man. We go in and dance and salute me, Mr. Man. The baby come back. You want to my children, man. Come on. I'm working on man. Standing on man. Remember that one that you know. No call me. Say no call me no banana boat, man. Banana boat. Say no call me. Say no call me no banana boat, man. Say no tell me to for reading no on the passport. Never shop a tuna on the airport. If them any more poor man airport, go we believe out on a banana boat. Never run things. We reach over for it and run things. No man no rock us up, no man no banana no man. No man no rock us up, no man no banana no man. No man no big better run out of that. Yeah. It's all about the give love. The launch of the give love. See, want to support this album. K-Salaam, the Junior Reid feature on it, a mad thing. See, and don't forget my new album, Living Legends. Available out there on iTunes and CD, all over. See, check it out. Run the chat. Stanley, boy. Why do you till you get to turn to crime? 2 lakh of jobs and everything there. Can't get any games. Why do you hold man? Whoa, whoa, in top murder. Why do you hold man? Whoa, whoa, in top murder. Hear this? Can you say Bobby that the ghetto go with him mother? Police and soldier kill him father. Every day thanks and pleasure to be here, you know, amongst some lovely people, you know what I'm saying? Junior Reid fans, reggae music fans, rock blood, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Who goes? Santa Fraud! Union for politicians, will give you them guns to kill off the one that we call them Santa Fraud. See? Only got a few days more to get the guns you want to tell the gun store. On the first day of Christmas, guess what's entering for me? I clap, I'm up no man, I rush the entry. Rap-a-pop-pop, me no wanna rap-a-pop-pop. Rap-a-pop-pop, me no wanna rap-a-pop. Me no wanna rap-a-pop-pop, me no wanna rap-a-pop-pop. Rap-a-pop-pop, me no wanna rap-a-pop-pop. Say what is the meaning of rap-a-pop-pop? That's what the meaning of rap-a-pop. Pop-pop, because I don't got the rap-a-pop-pop. Are you in trouble to the rap-a-pop-pop? Say one gonna prison to the rap-a-pop-pop. One a rubber life sentence to the rap-a-pop-pop. Well, Santa Claus was out with that money and you man. Tell me Santa Claus when you was teaching you man. Just give them a guitar and a mic in them. Make them go nice up stage show and make dance jam. I'm gonna win at this word. Ram-pa-pa-pam, ram-pa-pa-pam, ram-pa-pa-pam. Ram-pa-pa-pam, 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 ram-pa-pa-pam. Say, you only got a few days more to get the guns you want to have the gun store. On the first day of Christmas, guess what's at the ring for me? I'm a man, I rush the entry. Rap-pa-pam, we don't want to rap-pa-pam. You know what I want? A child of a one, say, kind of one, say all of the war, all them things about take place in the world. Rasta have the answer to all the war, we have the solution. And the solution is just love. See, you ever say, because I say love is the answer. Police and soldier make them rap-a-pop-pop. I say love, street with the rap-a-pop-pop. Love is the answer. And love is the way. Oh, love is the answer. Love is what we need in our heart today. I say love is the answer. And love is the way. Oh, love is the answer. Love is what we need in our heart today. Mama showed me the way to live it up. My daddy showed me too. So I live love it, love it, love it. I say love is the answer. And love is the way. Oh, love is the answer. Love is what we need in our heart today. We don't want no rap-a-pop. We don't want no rap-a-pop-pop. Rap-a-pop-pop. Jackie was the sun, the rain, the moon, the stars in the mountain. Jackie was his word. And all that you dreamed of, and you didn't know, gotta be a rap-a-pop-pop. It's right here, let's show. Climbing the mountains to the wildest sea. Nothing can discourage me. And I keep to praising forevermore, forevermore, more. Rap-a-pop-pop. Next track. Yeah. Never use them praise. Oh gosh, never use them praise. Babylon never use them praise. Don't talk to it. Oh, it's a shame I was feeling pain. Oh, it's a shame I was feeling pain. My brothers and my sisters going down the train. My brothers and my sisters going down the train. Say Babylon release the chains, whatever you say. Yeah. How you feel now, dear? Yeah, you don't know how we come on medicine. School, entertainment, fun and joy, everything, you know, life and everything, you know. Love and life evermore for the people, you know what I'm saying? Our life give us, just love and life evermore, you know. Yeah. Next one. Holy Emmanuel I King Selassie Jah Rastafari. King Emmanuel saying a free waterway 713 miles a ship. So fear up, free Emmanuel children now. Out of the diaspora, out of Egypt, Jamaica, out of Egypt, America. Mashing up the earth, see one of these try. Politicians, them are side in front. Give the youth and conscientize us. Do you ever make a circle? Daddy, we my march up before. Not to mention Portmore. I said my youth man skull and ball. Pray for the youth and I go cry. Ooh, mama and dad wipe the tears from your eyes. The east and the west side, they all should live in love. Do you ever make a servant? Daddy Brooklyn or Bronx before? Not to mention all them, you send Solomon. Rockers Island, Port GP, Babylon is Pharisee, shall be set the captive free. Do you ever spend a night in a Rockers Island before? Not to mention penitentiary, I see the youth are sleeping on the floor. Politician never stand to fraud. Give the youths and got some ties. Do you ever make a circle up a bubble camp before? Take mine from the bloody city. Emmanuel living so pure. Yeah, blessing of my Lord. Blessing of Empress, all kings and queens, prince and princess. You understand me? Because if you know, say, we're more than one of us gathered, the Almighty is there, you know what I'm saying? Because the whole of we are gods and goddess. You understand me? Them say a man is just a man and a woman is just a woman, but a man is not just a man and a woman is not just a woman. You understand me? God in a man, God in a woman. You understand? Anything you ask God for, you get it through a man or a woman. When you little bit so, and you ask God for things till that go big so. Everything you get from God, you get it through a man or a woman or your brother, your sister, your mother, your father. So God in the human temple, they might tell me say, oh, a man is just a man, you can't just kill a man and just beg for forgiveness. When they kill a man and God they kill. You understand me? So that's why I'm starting to say a man is not just a man. Marcus Garvey in a man, King Emmanuel in a man, Selassie in a man. Man of right is God in flesh, man of wrong is Satan. Woman of right is God is in flesh. Woman of wrong is Satan. You understand me? So God and Satan are on earth. And no matter what man evil, he can change. And no matter what man good, he can change, but a good over evil. Holy Emmanuel I Selassie, Ja! Rastafari. Yes. Blessed love. Give thanks to the gathering, you know? Yeah. Run the chat, please. Living in sin. Oh, what a sin. My people living out that thing. Hey, Babylon. Babylon and them food that kill me more than God. Babylon and them food that kill me more than God. Into the soul, they bring out from the ground. After man and tell them, say, we farm up the ground. Babylon and them food that kill me more than God. William style. This is a new singer from the LP. Sing a year ago. You see right now, they must say gonna kill our people and gonna this and gonna that. But right now, the food that kill people more than God. So watch what you eat. Marcus said, grow what you eat and eat what you grow. You understand me? Because Babylon kill enough of people slow. I kill them slow. More time every week, the amount of people are gone down. And I must say a natural cause, and a natural cause. I chew the food. So they might treat it like machine food, like when you give them starter, grow and finish it. They might give them starter food, grow and finish it. Watch what you eat. Run the chop. Watch them fast food. And your life run on fast. Oh, what a sin! See my people living out that thing. Some are living out that thing. Babylon and them food that kill me more than God. Babylon and them food that kill me more than God. Rastaman I tell them to farm up the ground. Rastaman I tell them to go blow up the ground. Babylon and them food that kill me more than God. Babylon and them food that kill me more than God. Rastaman I tell them to farm up the ground. I tell them to farm up the ground. Babylon and them food that kill me more than God. Babylon and them food that kill me more than God. Breast cancer, prostate cancer, questioners, we don't get no answer. Remember one time I used to time and pass. And as it food up, man just show up fast. No pot now cook, no boat now run. Fast food, I can read more than gun. No coconut powder, cook, can it run down. And try to choose when time Sunday come. See, Babylon and them food that kill me more than God. Babylon and them food that kill me more than God. After man I tell them set me farm up the ground. After man I tell them to go plant up the ground. That kill me more than God. Babylon and them food that kill me more than God. Plant up the ground, standing on. Mr. Young, give no answer. Love the youth, them cancer. I should work in the food. If you get it do, stand your horn. Give me more fun than you hit me more fun. Yeah, no style, yeah. I'm trying to check, you understand, let's get used to it. You're going to be here to hear it, let's check out the message, you understand what I mean? What you say about that? I'm learning the food that kill more than God. What you say about that? Watching fast food and them thing there, you understand? You understand one time man used to live for 120. The other day I see a lady on TV, Ilan Gully. She lived for 117, you understand me? And that's not, she just eat what she grow and she just live natural. But right now as you them reach all 20 and 21, all you have 14 of high blood pressure, sugar, cancer, prostate cancer, breast cancer, all them things that come through the food. So what you don't eat? Eat what you grow and grow and eat. Here, sir, run the track. That's something you know where I always come with the message. Yeah, give love. I love where I give. You understand me? Yeah. Living Legend. Check it out. Available. Let's check out the album Living Legend. The album there, one of the biggest things. Every Junior Reid and reggae fans have that catalog. Also this one called Give Love. You understand me? Called Love Where I Give. Run the track here, sir. Standing one track. You see right now Marcus Garvey the first man to get deported. So you know now Marcus Garvey the prophet and our God, our king. You understand me? Yeah, 3-1 in 3 man never disagree. Only man will like Marcus Selassie 3-1 and 1 in 3 never disagree. Marcus Garvey the first man get deported. Saying Marcus our prophet. Run them track here. Africa we got, never have a criminal record. I know they think Marcus Garvey, you a prophet first, man, them they vote. If you have a record, passport and visa, you can't pass airport. Pass airport. Say we don't come here for no visa and no passport. We don't come here for no visa and no passport. The whole of we come down here on the same boat. The whole of we come down here on the same boat. Who will let silent? Go to say. I'm for no visa and no passport. Who will let silent? K-Salaam. Come on here. You know, say we all came here on the same boat. You understand me? The whole of we come up on the same boat. Before we have all the airplane and everything there. A boat to come down here, man. Saying so no banana boat, man. And that's one love, one blood, one people. Run the shot. Yeah, never have a criminal record. Marcus gave you a profit first, man, then they put. If you have a clean record, passport and visa, you can't pass airport. Pass airport. So you don't come here for no visa and no passport. You don't come here for no visa and no passport. The whole of we come down here for the same boat. The whole of we come down here for the same boat. We don't come here for no visa and no passport. We don't come here for no visa and no passport. But Google up here run like your same boat. The whole of we come down here for the same boat. The police and soldier, all the commissioner, the nurse and doctor, the judge and lawyer, also the governor general and prime minister. The whole of we come down here for the same boat. Rise up, holy mighty race. Rise and take a stand again. My people still cutting sugar cane. Babylon never use them brains. No chains on our feet, but we are not free. Living in this outdoor captivity. My people still living in poverty. Fear of set the captive free. Come here for no visa and no passport. Come here for no visa and no passport. The whole of we come down here for the same boat. The whole of we come down here for the same boat. We don't come here for no visa and no passport. We come here for no visa and no passport. The same boat. The whole of we come down here for the same boat. The Caribbean, the mama criminal record. The Caribbean, the mama criminal record. Come here for no visa and no passport. Come here for no visa and no passport. The whole of it comes down here for the same boat. The whole of it comes down here for the same boat. We don't come here for no visa and no passport. We don't come here for no visa and no passport. Run like a star family and you same boat. The whole of it comes down here for the same boat. Never have a criminal record. They take it from me. Never have a criminal record. Emmanuel, him a go charge them. Emmanuel, him a go charge them. Rastafari a go charge them, why? Emmanuel, him a go charge them, why? Yeah, keep the mic up. Give me a couple more mic, yeah? Give me a couple more mic. From the album Living Legend. Red City. Oh yeah. Blue light, green light. It's in Vegas. Another go back. It's another go back. Oh, you got to know. When you're in danger, you can't just no stranger. No. The street is on the fire. No, watch no face. Say I don't be sweet and farm on the spy. You gonna let me say, watch out your happiness. Lock out your head, that's it. You go fast and it's so just don't know who you trust. Everyone for who you are, you don't know who is the spot. Sometimes the same one you let in your place. If the stands against you, keep this on your case. Was on the cover cups on you never know. Until that day when the comes on, you never know. Until that day when the ID show. Blue lights, blue lights, blue lights, blue lights, blue lights. From the album Living Legend, get used to that more juicy. What you say? How you feeling? Well, Emmanuel is in a side, that's the flower, you know? Yeah. Because you don't know. It's around here we come learn about certain things. We have some people born as kings and queens, and prince and princess. We never know about murdering and killing and robbing and thieving and everything. All we know to do is just get up and praise the King and give thanks to earth. You understand me? Around the west, we come learn all of them things. Saying so, you don't know, say we're guilty everything. We're not a crime record, we're not a crime sheet. Run the chop, boss. Thank for my place. Don't forget where I come from. Who represents for the place when I say man of the year? Represent for my place. My place. Hey! Don't forget where I come from. Hey, forget my place. Don't forget where I come from. Where everybody knows my face. My roots they can never erase. I was born and destined to be great. With the support of my community, wanna see the best of me. Fire up on all them who I hate. Come instead of the firehouse, where I'm a man and grow. Tribulation, and they think they have my know. Politicians can't feel something for a day. Just get money, get to use and feel it every day. Let the money not work, no. You, food, all the fuck up home. Don't come to market, put people stand. Use the rise of them down on time. Here's another Baba, not every road car. If forget where I come from, can't forget my place. If forget where I come from, everybody knows my face. My roots they can never erase. I will wheel up for my head. I can't forget where I come from. Never. Can you say forget where you come from? You never know where I go. You understand me? Always remember that if you come from America, don't forget America. You come from Europe, don't forget Europe. You come from Africa, don't forget Africa. You come from Jamaica, don't forget Jamaica. Go big shot again. Well, Emmanuel is represent from my place, from the album Living Legend. My place, represent for your place. Yeah, hey, it forgets me where I come from. Can't forget my place. Can't forget where I come from. And everybody knows my face. My roots they can never erase. I was born and destined to be great. With the support of my community, and want to see the best of me. Put up on all them who I hate. Got me set on my firehouse, where I'm a born and grow. Tribulation, everything they have my nose. Politicians can't feel something for a day. Judge it from the ghetto, you to feel it every day. Everybody never work me, I don't know. You to go to school, all that I don't know. Bump up the market, poor people stand. Ghetto you to raise up them style of time. Please and I'm lying to the world. Come on, you go on the left road cars. It forgets where I come from. It forgets my place. It forgets where I come from. Everybody knows my face. My roots they can never be raised. I was born in this thing to be great. Fire up on all everyone leave. No night until I was asleep. Police take me away, carry gun in the jeep. Give me mountains to climb, mountains to steep. Now we need a lie about the lie, I'm not cheap. Who can breathe? Hey, oh, can't forget where I come from. Can't forget my place. Can't forget where I come from. Where everybody knows my face. Everybody knows my face. Everybody knows my face. My place, yeah, I come from. Everybody knows my face. They know it's my place. Everybody knows my face, yeah. Firehouse, firehouse, where we come from. walking song. Mix up in Europe and them by me uncle song. Yeah, the airport to greet me. I'm holding for me fans. Music was a blocking and sit like a question. Who not make me attack off them and come for them from me hand. One blood Junior Reid. Better sing another business and them can't go with me. If we get there, I come now. Bloodsport. One blood family. Shiloh. Shanti. Shadi. Shadi. K-Salaam. Everyone in the house. Our house. Yeah. How you feeling? You want more? I'm going to give you one more, okay? Hold on there. I'll give them some for the lovers. I want to give them love you back. See? We're going to sing an extract from the new album. Yeah? Yeah. And so don't forget, give love, alright? Check out the album. And also the living legend. Alright? Yeah. From the way you hold it down, firm and solid ground. I'm so happy that you're around, girl. You know that I love you. I know that you love me. So make me love you back. Come on, love me, make me love you back. I want to can't stop somebody, brother. You can't love me, love you. I know that you love me. Love me, make me love you back. Stop somebody. Love me, make me love you back. Stop already. I think about you every day. All the words can say. Takes a shot and I miss you along that way. Never let you go. Baby, don't you know? I ain't going nowhere. No. You know that I love you. I know that you love me. Love me, make me love you back. Come on, love me, make me love you back. Yeah. You know that I love you. I know that you love me. Love me, make me love you back. Come on, love me, make me love you back. If what I feel for you is wrong, I don't wanna be right. I don't wanna be right. No. Since I met you, girl, you really changed my life. You really changed my life. Oh, you know that I love you. I know that you love me. Come on, let me love you back. Come on, let me make me love you back. You know that I love you. I know that you love me. Come on, let me love you back. Come on, let me make me love you back. Think about you every day. More than words can say. Like such a I let you alone like me. Never let you go. Baby, don't you know? I ain't going nowhere. Oh, you know that I love you. I know that you love me. Just love me, make me love you back. Come on, love me, make me love you back. You know that I love you. I know. Love you back. Oh, you know I love you. I know you love me too. Every day, it's up to you. Yeah, from the album, you know, Living Legend. Check it out. Man, what you say? Let me love you back. Yeah, let me love you back. Yeah, you see, right now, the radio station, and they don't want to play them tune because you don't want to play something for God for the nation and kill all the youths. Because you know, they want enough funeral when Sunday come. So upon them station, they must have some negative lyrics. I tell you, they say, shot in the head, gun in this, that and that and that. You understand me? So give thanks to the positive, radio this jacket, they move, promote the positiveness, and you understand me? But you see the one about the negative thing, and the devil never work. You understand me? Because you know, killing all the people is a business, you know. It's a business them around. Because you know, you see right now, no future dead. They never hold the money when them funeral costs. No few drop out and them never get all the money when funeral costs. So every day them have to promote him for kill out the youths and for send the youth them to prison. Because enough of them invest in a prison and invest in the cemetery. When the man say I love my life evermore, you know, what the man realize last year? Yeah, that's stuff like that. What the chop my love? Sha-la-la, sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Come and say God no absence. I'm the man where they be a him. Stand your horn. Come no absence. I can see later where they be a him. K-Salaam tell you. 51 for 51 for 50. Yes, I hit you up for 50. The window shot you got the spot. He's a shot you got the spot. Well in the morning that's alright. So some of the trucks got it alright. Reggae music fit. Fit. Up on the road, the trouble no one with the heat no stay, but the heat no hot. Rock my brothers a vegetarian. Music is my occasion. We gotta feel when it's some young. Big some guy music make a song and scoop it up. Get the pen up. Start to sing over the mama. Look how my beat, look how it's sharp. Hey, G-Boogie boy. Look how my beat, look how it's sharp. On this one, I'm playing all the youths there. See, all the generals there. You understand me? We don't give it to them, no pride. But end up in a general penitentiary. And it goes like this. General penitentiary. Whoa. What is it? General penitentiary. Whoa, general penitentiary. Down in the dump cell, we rock him, take no smell. See, it's like in an oven, making for 2,000 years. When the morning come, I and I will run to get some tea. Here comes the poser with his partner. Say dreadlocks, you know, come here. To drinking beans, I'm fat. No, stand on. General. I used to the general Ghana penitentiary, you know. The girl I get shine and I get red and she start running the road straight. So the general writes all this. You know the general say? What you the general say? What do you the general say? There. What go on? Run the chop. Keep it going. You know what general say? You know the general say? General say, a shine night, yeah, it's a trouble to a man. A shine night, yeah, it's a trouble to a man. I rise early, looking something. Rise early, sing, looking for the daughter, but she no on ya, no. I take a walk down the street. Oh yeah, boy, we see the girl they popcorn with bush mouth lana, and I make no spread. A shine night, yeah, it's a trouble to a man. I know what, you know, say general must the case. I must not string. See how the general say? Guess who is coming to dinner? And the jailer. Guess who is coming to New York? And the jailer. Oh, I can see you run some curves of me and the jailer. And Rastanet and I am big culture are coming over the hills, singing to hands like these. We must live as one. Yeah. Cause of good fruits. You could have been an Irishman or an English. You could have been a Mexican or a Pakistan. One blood. Japan, you come from Iran. Could have come from China, you come from Japan, my blood. You could have come from uptown, you come from downtown. Could have come from underground, you come from uptown, one blood. The fussing and fighting, travel war, racial war, run it again. Blood! Run it again. Blood! You want to hear one word in Spanish? Anyone Spanish fans it up? Take it up. Anyone Spanish fans it up? One word in Spanish, hear it. Say, si venite Cuba, o venite Panama, si venite Miami, o venite Cuba, una sangre, una sangre, una sangre. Say, si venite Guatemala, o venite Ecuador, si venite Haiti, o venite Italy, una sangre, una sangre. Compañera, quiero que seas sincera. Support it, give love album, K-Salaam, and all of you nice and decent people. Yeah, them man make it possible. Them man make it possible. All those blood sports and all cool in the place. One blood family represent. Same? Yeah, you don't know. Yeah. Alright, what do you say? You know why you want to remix? You know why you want to remix? You want to hear the remix? Run the remix, K-Salaam.
Yeah man, come chat to me TV in the house. Yeah, SOB mad tonight, crazy. The living legend himself, Jonah One Blood Reid. How you doing, big man?
Doing good and great, you know. Doing right. Yeah, I'm doing fine, I'm doing right, you know. Doing right.
I really think, man. But watch your performance and I love how you mix it up. You give them some of the classic them from long time. You give them some of the living legend. And of course, you give them the give love. Channel the performance, man. Talk a little about it, for real.
Well, you don't know a long time I come to New York. It's a true know the people who give the album Living Legend a certain amount of love. They have to come select some track, we come deliver to them. Also track from the Give Love and some of the original foundation songs. They may understand me?
Yeah.
I just give the fans them a treat. Them know say time come see Junior is a movie. It's not just and it's like a school. It's like fun and joy. Everything is like, when it comes to Junior, it's everything. My performance give them everything what they could desire, you know.
I really think, man, I full joy myself to the max, and the massive them full joy themselves too. For real. So the album now, Give Love, Zin? What's the inspiration behind it? I know that talk about love and everything, but I still want to hear from the legend himself, what's the whole inspiration behind the album there, you know what I mean? At this time.
Well, the album, I'm a brethren, which is my producer, K-Salaam, and I'm a producer. We decided to come out with the album, and we feature two Junior Reid on it, so I give it a strength. We have a track on it named Give Love, the title track, and also a track called Babylon Food that kill more than gun. So we just come give him a strength, because I know that way I have to give the music a strength, you know, in any form, any shape, anything, you understand me? Yeah. So we want the people to go out and support the Give Love, because it's a great album.
When you hear it from yourself, from the legend himself, give thanks, my brother. Bless up and every time, saying, Jonah One Blood Reid, SOB, the thing mad tonight, see there? Come chat with me.